Ever cringe at how your voice sounds in recordings, like you've got a wild parrot trapped inside you? Well, hello folks, Ned from Ned's Facts here, ready to put a new spin on it. Did you know, the voice you hear on recordings is actually how others hear you? Yes, sound vibrations through your skull fuzz the way you hear your own voice. Talk about having a literal bone to pick with your voice. Now pals, if your voice could sound like anything in the world, what would it be? Share your wild and vocal visions below. Remember, your voice is rarer than a singing parrot. Until next time.